time, but not today.
Holy smokes. Dirty car, dirty car. I am exhausted. Shit. Good morning, guys. Today we're just doing a vlog. Right now I'm just going to get some coffee. Just got out of bed, so let's go do that. And I'm gonna take you guys on a little vlog today. Come spend the day with me. I don't really have too much on the go today, honestly, but we'll find some things to do. I definitely have to clean my car, so that's definitely on the list. But yeah, so you guys are gonna see like a note throughout my day with my G70, how it drives, just driving around town, you know, daily driving it and so on. But I can't even think right now, so let's go get some coffee first. I think we should let some daylight in, eh? I don't know why I had this closed. Oh, say what's going on. Nice move. Yeah, halfway is alright. Yeah, guys, man, this car is filthy dirty. Like this windshield right now, got sun glare on it too. Crazy. What's your guys' go-to for coffee though? Like if you get coffee in the morning or whatever, I usually go to Second Cup. I like Second Cup a lot. I like their iced coffee. I'm gonna put you guys on actually. Iced caramel Corretto made with oat milk. I'm telling you, you don't need any other coffee really, but it is a good like $7-8 though for a coffee. But if you're, you know, if you don't mind spending that on a coffee, I don't get it every morning. I don't really drink coffee like that, but this morning it was just talking to me. It was just, I heard it all the way from like 5 kilometers away, just calling my name. Come get coffee, come get coffee. I even woke up out of my bed earlier and everything. But yeah, that's what I'd be getting. I know people be getting. I don't like Tim Hortons iced coffee that much because it's not like they're not consistent with it. And same with McDonald's. Like I like theirs, but it's just not like they're just not consistent with it. This one's gonna be good every time. I never had a bad one. But yeah, I'm gonna stop yapping. I guess I should tell you guys, I ordered ambient lighting, another kit for my G70. I don't know, I kind of want the doors done and everything. I want everything done. So I ordered a kit for that. I also ordered an ambient lighting kit for my girlfriend's car. She has a Honda CR-V, but just to spice it up a little bit, we drive that car a lot, so just driving around town and stuff, especially at night and everything, just make it feel a little bit better, a little bit of a nicer car, I guess. Hopefully there's no line. I think it's just that one person. That ain't bad at all. Large iced caramel Corretto made with oat milk.
A medium size and a large fit?
Yeah, a medium and a large iced caramel Corretto made with oat milk.
Made with oat milk?
Yeah.
Any cookies or muffins with that?
No, that'll be everything.
Alright, I'll get to it though.
Alright.
We got our coffees, guys. I just got a little medium, got a large for the woman. Fuck that turbo, just sounds crazy. I need blow-off valves though. Like, what blow-off valves should I get, guys? There's like some what do they call it? Sixth element or something like that. I don't know if those are any good or not. Like, I see they have go fast bits. I know those sound good. I might look at those, but I don't know. I just want to make this thing a little bit faster. I don't know if I want to tune it. I do want to tune it, but then it's like warranty and all that stuff. But at the end of the day, man, I don't know. Like, I don't know, man. That tune would just make the car. Fuck. Drop my keys and everything. The tune would just make the car so much better. I can't even grab my key. Here, a little intake. Yeah. Crazy. I can't wait to make this thing faster, but it's just, I don't want any problems to come with it, which I know there's gonna be problems, but that's what every car though. Like my Genesis Coupe, I mod the hell out of that thing, and honestly, it didn't give me much problems at all. So, might take my gamble again. Alright, I think it's time to go clean the whip. Don't laugh at my Walmart shoes, alright? I think they're actually clean. I don't care. These ain't no Nike. These $20 Walmart shoes, guys. Like, but it just goes with the fit, so fuck it. And I like them, honestly. I think they used to sell these at Foot Locker back in the day. Damn. But don't get me wrong, I got my Jordans and all that shit too, but that's what I'm putting on today, so I don't want to hear nothing in the comments about my shoes. My shoes are cleaner than yours, so I don't want to hear nothing. But right now, we're going to go clean my car because she is dirty. And kind of see what else we can get ourselves into. I brought my GoPro just in case, but GoPro, I got to charge it though, but I'll do that while I'm cleaning my car. Got all about, like, look at these stupid fucking potholes, you guys. Oh, oh my god, bruh. Just from adding these stupid fucking potholes, man, we got fucking construction. Like, come on. You guys know that feeling when you're just trying to get somewhere and then there's always something, like, you might catch like every red light or something like that on your way to your destination. Or in my situation, fucking construction, man, like, it just ruins the vibe sometimes. Like, I'm just trying to go. Oh, now you turn this on. Now I'm talking to you, eh? Fuck. Shouldn't took that long anyway, putting in these stupid fucking speed bumps, man. Like, before, this should be a nice little chill, like, back road, not going to the main roads and all that stuff, and now we got these, like, why do you have two separate fucking speed bumps? Like, it's actually crazy to me. And I think it's like, yeah, it's gonna slow people down, but man, like, you gotta think about like the emergency vehicles and all that stuff, man. Like, you're slowing everybody down, slowing traffic down. Like, it's just so stupid. I don't know what people think sometimes, man, honestly. I ain't lying, I got a little bit of burbles though, look. Well, you guys ain't gonna be able to hear it, honestly, because it ain't too loud, but she's there though, I ain't gonna lie. Imagine with like what's that brand called? Vibrant mufflers or something. Put some mufflers in there, get rid of the stock ones. I think that'd sound real good. I just want it a little bit louder. Like, I don't want crazy loud car. Like, I already got my Genesis Coupe for that, so I ain't trying to listen to loud cars all the time. But yeah, I think I might get those mufflers though. They're on Amazon for like $150 each. I think that might be my best bet. Oh man, what I got? Here's my this. Where the fuck is my bucket? Man, I'm blind today. Holy smokes. Yeah, we gotta clean this thing up though. Is she dead? With my wheels. Whole car is just filthy. Same with that over there, honestly. And this bad boy. I feel bad, man. I put all this body work into this car and everything. I'm not even driving it. It's actually crazy. Oh, got a little left over. All right, let me clean this. All right, you guys know I can't drive around with my car dirty like this, so let's finish spraying it off and then get this bad boy cleaned up. I usually do like front, middle, rear kind of thing when I'm washing my car, or side, front, rear, side kind of thing. But that's usually how I do it. Break it up a little bit because I don't want the soap to sit on there too long and it'll leave spots and everything. But one thing I do hate about cleaning my car is drying, which I do skip half the time, but not today. All cleaned up now. All we gotta do is dry it off, which I hate doing because I gotta use like 4 or 5 different towels, so I'm gonna have to get bigger ones. But yeah, I'm gonna let it sit for a second. I'm gonna dry it off, let the sun do a little bit of work, and then I'll do the rest. But yeah, she's looking good though. Gotta put my tire shine on and shit, but other than that, we got she all cleaned up. I gotta put some tire shine on actually. Gotta have that. But yeah, she looking good though. I really gotta drive that over there because I'm just neglecting it. I don't like that. I should have did the tire shine before my wheels, but it's whatever. It don't matter. The wind is definitely blowing it though. Miss a spot there too, but I can't wait to get new wheels. These wheels are peeling and shit, which is shitty, but it was doing that when I bought the car too, so, and I guess they don't do anything about it. If the rim is cracked or something, then yeah, but just for this, nope.
A few moments later.
Much wind noise. I feel so awkward having the GoPro on my head, like in traffic and stuff. But I just gotta get used to it, honestly. I did it plenty of times, but it just feels so awkward. Just people just looking at you. What does he got going on? Don't even worry about it. I'm gonna go this way. I think I see an R32 up there. Hopefully we can catch this light. Nope. R32, guys. It's not the GTR though. I think it's the GTST or something like that. I still wouldn't mind one, honestly. Even just having the R32. Just having that car, honestly, will be pretty nice to have. GTR would obviously be the best though. I don't even know if we're gonna get out here. We're going. Who's gonna stop for me? This car sounds so good. Oh my gosh, bro. If you guys are a fan of these vlogs, I mean, this is my first vlog really on the channel, so if you guys want to see more videos like this, maybe I can even go hit up a car meet or something like that, just let me know in the comments and we'll get it done. So I appreciate you guys for always tuning in and watching. Like, comment, subscribe would mean a lot, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.